Hi Ray, got a quick issue or a tweak that's needed. So on the demo page, if I can, what's going on? There we go. Okay, so at the moment, this tooltip, if you remember, should come in and out, and at the moment, it's there all the time. Now, if I refresh the page, you can see that it indeed is doing what it's meant to do. The problem is when just too many things start getting activated all at the same time. Is it going to do it to me? Yeah, there we go. Okay, so somewhere in there, by randomly selecting these markers, it gets locked. So if you could have a look at that, that would be great. Thanks, Ray. Cheers.